Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. And today is Sunday, 7 in the evening. And day off ko sa work. Yesterday nag-work ako, tapos today I'm off. And then, but umalis ako kanina, and then now I'm back. And it's still 7 in the evening. It's still early. So I still got time na mag-video. At naisip ko na medyo matagal na din na nag-video ako ng ganito na naka-sit down, tapos mag-unboxing ako ngayon because normally nga, recently it's just Martin yung pinapa-video ko sa self niya kasi nakakatawa naman talaga siyang tingnan and so today I get time to do it. I'm gonna do unboxing video. GoodieBox Crush. GoodieBox Crush. Dati GoodieBox lang talaga yung meron ako, and it was monthly subscription. I think 169 kroner a month. Yeah, 169 kroner every month. At tapos yung mga products na nandun is like including, it's whatever. It could be makeup, it could be wellness, it could be lotion, it could be whatever. But this GoodieBox Crush, every 3 months lang siya na dumarating subscription pa rin. So every 3 months yung bayad, and it's a lot cheaper. I think it's 129 kroner ata. Matagal akong nag-subscribe kaya hindi ko ma-remember. Pero around 129 kroner every 3 months. Tapos yung laman niya is makeup lang talaga. Tapos sabi nila, in each boxes daw is makakabuo ka ng look, ng makeup look. So, hindi ko pa talaga alam kung anong laman niya, at I didn't look at sa mga social media kung ano bang nandun sa September box ng GoodieBox Crush. So, I had this box last September. Yeah, I had this last September, pero hindi ko pa talaga siya na-open because I've been very busy. Hindi naman sa walang time na gawin siya. Kaya lang, we've been very, very busy, guys. We sold our old house. Tapos, we moved in this new apartment. Actually, it's not new. It's a very, very old apartment. It's a very, very old historical building dito sa Denmark. It's like protected somehow by the government. But it's private owned, obviously. It's private owned, pero if the owner wants to renovate the building or something, to do something about it, they have to ask permission kasi it's protected. It's under historical something in Denmark. So anyway, so we move into this new apartment, and syempre, pag nag-move in ka or nag-move in ka, it's a very, I don't know, very busy kasi parang you have to pack all your things. And we used to have a house that's like may 3 bedroom, ganyan. So, medyo madami kaming gamit. Tapos now we move in a apartment where isa na lang yung bedroom. Pero okay lang din naman because it's just me and my husband. Tapos yung mga anak niya pumupunta lang dito in a period of time para bumisita. So, it's just me and Martin, so it's enough space for us. So anyway, we've been very, very busy arranging things and all that. So parang nakaka-stress. Pero ngayon parang back to routine na kami. Everything is going normal again. Somehow naging livable na yung place. Magano din ako mag-apartment tour in the future, pero wag na muna ngayon. So for now, ang dami kong dada. So for now, mag-open tayo ng box. Ang aking goodie box. So makita nyo naman, I really like talaga yung style ng box nila. It's because you can reuse it. Like, it's not just one-time use. You know, this kind of box, you can use it for reorganizing your things. So, this is the goodie box. You can see the word here, GoodieBox Crush. Tapos, parang siyang drawer, see? Tapos yung ganyan, and then you open it up, and the first thing you will see is this GoodieBox Crush card. So, there's a card. And yeah, it's nice. It's cute. Then at the back, you can see there's true artistry. It's in Danish. A little message from the GoodieBox Crush team. And then there comes the 4 items. So you can see it's 4 things in here. Kita ko sa inyo. So first, So I got this Oga Oga. I don't know if that's how you should read it, but it's UOGA. And it's just Black Drama Natural Eyeliner. And if you're gonna buy it like alone in a market, in a mall or something, it's 97 kroner. Tapos, you times it by 7. Yun na yung equivalent sa peso. Tapos, how do you read this? Nair Beauty. Nair Beauty. Naire Beauty. But anyway, yan. Angled eyeliner. Brush ata. Yes, angled eyeliner brush. And never pa ako nakagamit ng ganyan. So I'm excited. It's 56 kroner if you buy it alone. And then Gosh color corrector kit. That one, I don't know. I know it's like color corrector, but never ko pa siya nagamit, so I don't know. Price niya, if you're gonna buy it, it's like 150 kroner. And then you can see there's different colors. And then the last one is Revlon Color Burst Matte Balm. And the price is 89 kroner. So parang ang laking savings, guys, if you think about it, because I paid only 129 kroner, and this could have been, let's just say 200, 300, around 400 kroner yung apat na items na ito. Tapos yung I just paid 129 kroner. So I'm happy. I think it's good, and I'm happy with this one, the Revlon matte balm, because I'm so sure I will be able to use this. I'm gonna use it tomorrow because it's winter now, and when it's winter, it's like my lips are really like pale color, so it's like no blood and all. So I'm gonna be using that. I'm happy. So now this is the box. So there's a silver paper. You open it up. When you open it up, you see this. Here comes the 4 items. The Revlon matte balm. I like the color. Then put it in my lips. Maganda naman shine fairness. Char, as if naman expert ako sa ganyan maganda. Fairness, hindi talaga ako expert sa mga makeup, guys. I don't do makeup. Yes, I do very rarely yung mga basic lang. And I do it always sa car na on the way to work. Kasi nga, laging late ako nagigising kahit pa naka-alarm. Pinapatay ko, tapos on naman, patay na naman. So, always late. Not always late, almost late going to work. So, yon. So, hindi talaga ako masyadong girly talaga na may time na ganyan. So, anyway, next is this. Ito, the Black Drama Natural Eyeliner. Never try this because normally pag nag-eyeliner ako, it was just the pencil because I think it's a lot easier and it's like way safer for me to control. So, yan. Black color. Next is, ito na, partner ni ganyan. So, 513 angled eyeliner na brush. Yan. I will learn you para magamit kita. Para din gumanda tayo. Charing. So, next is the Gosh corrector. Never pa ako nakagamit nito. Then, tapos may pala siya, Parang may color kung saan dapat gamitin yung color. May color yellow na parang dito sa under eye area. Tapos may basta. Yan na. So, there you go. May mirror pa. Pwede ko siyang ilagay sa bag ko. So, it's good. So, yun lang, guys. Yung laman ng aking GoodieBox crush. I know September pa to, pero ngayon ko lang na-open, pero better late than never. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you will continue supporting my channel. And obviously, lahat ng nagsusupport sa akin is sinusupport ko din naman. Kaya lang, it takes time kasi nga I have a full-time job, I have another job, and I got this YouTube, so I'm very busy, pero as much as possible, bini Bini-visit ko talaga. Bini-visit ko talaga yung each and every one of you. Kaya lang, it takes time. So, yun. Thank you so much for watching. And maybe gagawa ako ng makeup look ng mga ganito. But, huwag kayo mag-expect na sobrang gaganda yung magiging result. It's because hindi naman talaga ako expert sa mga makeup na yan. So, yun. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good night.